Personalizing or tailoring learning for individual pupils can be seen to be an important factor in helping develop a learner's continued engagement with education, explains Ken Robinson, RSA 2010. Within this wiki, I will explore how I myself can personalize education for my pupils and what implications it may have on their learning. Campbell, Robinson, Nealons, Houston, and Mazzilli, 2007, argued that the principles of personalized learning lie within a Vygotskian model of social learning. This constructivist concept sees the context of all learning as social, collective, and interactive, yet at the same time believes learning to be somewhat an internal or unique process for each learner. A teacher's role, therefore, is to scaffold learning in a manner that best suits the individual or group. Deed, Lesko, and Lovejoy, 2014, focus our attention on the physical space within which learning takes place, arguing such spaces are a significant asset due to the flexibility they offer in terms of pupil organization. Differentiation, in this example, was achieved through games-based learning, offering the teacher a wide range of cross-curricular links, together with ample opportunities for individual pupils to make significant choices over the direction of their own learning, such as the use of computer-aided learning, social grouping form, or location of study. The necessary negotiations and peer-based interactions that followed all contributed to students becoming familiar with the concept of exercising choice within learning, as well as to develop a broader, more transferable skills such as teamwork, cooperation, and problem solving. However, teachers must adapt a more flexible mentoring role in order to balance the needs of each pupil with the learning choices they made. Deed, Lesko, and Lovejoy 2014 argue that this degree of personalization requires for the teacher to reflect on lessons' effectiveness in order to develop coherent longer-term strategies. The theme of implementing personalized approaches within established teaching practice was also argued to be a difficult balancing act by Corsair 2007. This was due in part to the broad nature of personalized learning, but also because teachers may struggle to know what precise method is best employed to help personalize learning for an individual pupil. Corsair 2007 goes on to argue that unless a teacher develops a proper understanding of each pupil or group they teach, then confusion and possible loss of the desire to want to learn may be the result. At the heart of personalized learning is the notion that everyone is different in the way that they process information. I myself have indeed experienced good personalization of my learning, and as a result have come to understand more about what suits me best when I learn. As a result, this has led me to overcoming barriers in my own learning. I am therefore inclined to agree with Hall and Mosley 2005 that developing one's ability or knowledge of how to learn is a key element for personal future success. In fact, Hall and Mosley 2005 go further by implying that teaching learners the importance of how to learn in their own unique style will greatly benefit a person's future employment prospects. In conclusion, personalizing learning is a crucial part in removing potential barriers to learning for pupils. However, the appropriate method for pupil or group must be selected. Within future practice, the development of personalizing learning for my pupils will be integrated as it helped my development in learning.